9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Easter egg hunt. Clementia getting all the eggs at the egg hunt. Keep going. She's doing good. She's filling up her bag. Come across. There's not a lot over there, Clemmy. Clementia, quickly, come over here. There's a lot over here. Cross, get in that yard with a lot. Good, you can go under the chain. Go under the chain, there's a lot there. Yeah, go over it, or under it. Okay. They're in the bushes. Someone.
On the bushes, on the bushes.
Clemmy over here. Clement? Okay. There's a yellow one right there. Alright, Clementia. Yellow one right there.
Alright, come on back this way. Come on. Come, David, come this way. About the time I pay my deposit.
Orange one right there. Orange one you left right in the bush. Okay, come on, let's go where there's more eggs over here. Hurry, hurry before they click. Uh-oh, Clemmy. Clemmy, over here. Open the thing. Pick it right here, Clemmy. Okay. All right, sign it out.